Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make this text reveal appears after somebody walks through the screen, like you see right now. The media will be in the description below if you want to follow along. I just have an 8-second clip on the timeline. And go to Fusion. This is volume 1. I'll have volume 2 coming out soon. I have to use this on-screen keyboard because I'm paralyzed. I can't use my hands and arms. So it will be on the screen in the way. Put the media in selected. Shift space and tracker. I'm not sure if the IntelliTrack is in the free version or not. This tutorial is for the studio version, by the way. But the regular tracker will work if you don't have it. The pointer on his head there. My playhead is in the middle of the timeline, so I have to track both ways. Now, when he leaves the screen, it will show corrupted. Just hit yes, then OK, and track backward. You don't always have to clean up the ends of these tracks, but if they get too bad, you will. This one here is pretty bad. Open the spline, select all them, zoom to fit. We're going to delete these. And in this case, it's really not that important because we're going to use a mask and he'll be off the screen by then. But for the sake of the tutorial, I'm also show you how to do it. Right click in the box and delete. You can see there's still one more track there. There we go. Now we got a good clean track. Select the media in, add a merge, grab a text node, put the text you're liking in, set your tracking, your font, and all that. I'm going to go to layout to raise it up, get it in position, something like that. And for now, we'll cut the line going from the text. Click away right about here. Shift space and magic mask. Type your media in to the magic mask. If you have a good enough computer, I recommend using Better. I'm in the middle of the timeline, so I got to track both ways. This will take a few, so I will fast forward through this. Okay, it's finally finishing up. Takes a long time in Fusion. Select the merge one, add another merge. Now when you add your mask, your magic mask to the merge two, the text should be behind subject. Now go to rectangle, type it into the mask or the merge one, take the width all the way up, and then go 1.5. Make it a little wider. Then right click on the center XY, connect to, tracker path, position. Now you'll see the center of the mask is following him, but we have to move the mask. Go up to the modifier, take the center X to the left, center the edge of the mask with him. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.